Right now, a bridge is being designed. The blueprints are perfect. The load calculations are flawless. And not a single human engineer touched them. Civil engineers build the world we live in. Roads, bridges, tunnels, dams, skyscrapers, the entire built environment depends on their expertise. But AI is now designing structures, optimizing traffic flow, predicting infrastructure failures, and automating the surveys that once took teams of engineers weeks to complete. Autodesk, Bentley Systems, and IBM Maximo are already embedding AI into civil engineering workflows. So the question is no longer whether AI will touch this profession, it already has. The question is, how much will it take over? What civil engineer work can AI actually replace? First, structural analysis and simulation. AI can run thousands of load-bearing simulations in minutes, catching failure points that human calculations might miss. Second, design optimization. Generative design tools like Autodesk's AI can produce multiple structurally sound designs, optimized for cost, materials, and safety automatically. Third, site surveys and inspections. Drones and AI vision systems can survey terrain, detect cracks in infrastructure, and assess damage faster and cheaper than human inspectors. Fourth, project scheduling and cost estimation. AI can analyze project timelines, predict delays, flag cost overruns, and optimize resource allocation across complex builds. And fifth, environmental impact modeling. AI can simulate flood risk, erosion, seismic activity, and climate change impacts on proposed structures with extraordinary precision. So how do civil engineers stay ahead, or do they simply accept their fate? Strategy 1. Master AI-augmented design tools. Engineers who can use Autodesk Generative Design, Bentley iTwin, and AI-based BIM platforms will be 10 times more productive than those who cannot. Strategy 2. Own the human judgment layer. AI can calculate, but it cannot negotiate with a local council, understand community impact, manage stakeholder relationships, or make ethical calls on public safety. That still requires a human. Strategy 3. Specialize in complex and novel infrastructure. Mega projects, deep-sea tunnels, earthquake-resistant cities, climate-adaptive infrastructure require creative engineering thinking that AI cannot yet replicate. Strategy 4. Lead on sustainability and regulation. Green engineering, carbon-neutral construction, and infrastructure compliance are growing fields where experienced human engineers hold the authority AI cannot claim. The verdict for 2030. Civil engineering will not be obsolete, but it will be radically different. Routine design work, standard inspections, basic cost modeling, these will be largely automated. The World Economic Forum estimates that AI and automation will displace around 40% of traditional civil engineering tasks by the end of this decade. But the global infrastructure deficit, valued at $15 trillion, means the world desperately needs more engineers, not fewer. AI will handle the calculations. Humans will handle the consequences. The civil engineers who thrive in 2030 will not be the ones who drew the best blueprints. They will be the ones who understood what the blueprints were really for.